Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. If you know anything about the car business, you know that we always have a sale. But these summer sales are really too hot to handle. Just wanted to do a quick check-in on the specials we have going on. I'm standing here by one of our last 2024 Sportages that we have on the ground at the same time as the 2025 Sportages, and if you look, you can tell they're not much different. But because they're on the ground at the same time, we have some ridiculous incentives available in the 24s. You can get as low as 0.9% APR on a short term, and there's some exciting customer cash programs that are attached to higher APRs as well. Beyond that, we have some great specials on the Forte as well. The new exciting ground up redesign, which will be called the K4, is imminently on its way in the next couple months. So the Fortes, we have some great programs available for those as well. Beyond that, with a couple exceptions of very high demand vehicles, we're doing dealer cost pricing on all of our in-stock new vehicles. So if you got some summer road trips coming up and you've been looking for your sign to make a change, I might take the exit now. Any questions you have, shoot us a call or stop by today.